And finally, guys, the scaffolding is on, and I already started to put some EPS boards over there, but let's go up there. And don't mind my hat, I know it's not sitting properly, but it's cold and it's falling all the time. It gives me headaches. Probably I need something to just tie it up. Now, for the last couple of days it was so windy and quite difficult to work, but now we are back and there isn't any wind, so we should be okay, at least for today. Well, so let's carry on. So I believe that's it even for today, because it's getting quite dark. I put a light on top of my van and it's making a little bit of light around here, but it's not going to be enough. Alright, so I had some excess adhesive and I've done this bit. I'm not going to mix again to finish this bit, but anyway, this one it will need about 2-3 coats. So let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. So right guys, I'm back. I've done all the adhesive, all the render. So now it's all done, but it's still fresh. This side and that small bit over there, it's already primed, so I can actually put the final coat. But the weather is not helping. So I don't really know what should I do, because it seems that it's going to rain. Let's go up there and see better. So I just prepared myself to start to render at least this bit, and it's starting to rain, I think, but I'm going to carry on anyway. So alright guys, I managed to do even the bay of the window and that side over there. Only problem is when I pulled out the tape, that happened. So I will have a small repair to do. Now I'll just have to clean up a little bit and go home. So yeah, I'll quickly show you the bay. Have lots of lights around here. And voila. Okay, it's quite hard to do this in the winter. I don't think I will ever do it again. Apex done, bay done, side done. Now it's just the bit on the top, and then we can pull some of these towers down, because I will have to take them down bit by bit because there are too many, and they are going to be too heavy for the van. Anyway, just going to carry on with the cleaning around here and go home. Alright guys, so this is the big reveal. Now I'm going to take part of the towers down, and yeah, it's all nice and hard now. The render cured, so we should be okay to take the towers down. Let's have a look upstairs. Done, base done. It's a bit windy today. And here we go. Nicely done. So now we just need to take these boards out.